Hi everyone, welcome to It's Time to Learn Everything. Write a letter to editor of Indian Express regarding complaining about the reckless driving. Or write a letter to complain about reckless driving. The editor. The Indian Express. Patna 62. Sub. Complaining about the reckless driving on the roads. Sir. With due respect, I wish to draw kind attention of the concerned authority and general public through your esteemed daily towards increasing incidents of road accidents. Road accidents are a frequent feature of newspapers. Road accidents are on a rise, especially in big cities. In rural areas, road accidents may have different causes like poor road conditions, but in cities, there is one reason which is the most critical one. This is reckless driving, and most of the road accidents are the result of reckless driving. Persons sitting on steering do not have control over it. They do not have any regard for the traffic rules. Overspeeding, jumping red lights, overtaking from the wrong side is commonplace. In most of the cases, they escape unpunished due to their social status and corrupt bureaucracy. Every year, large numbers of people die in road accidents. It is one of the biggest reasons for unnatural deaths in India. In the past 50 years, more persons succumbed to death due to road accidents than in wars with our enemy countries. So the time has come to develop a movement against reckless driving. I hope civic authorities and civilized people will pay heed to my prayer. Yours faithfully, Ayushman Sati. Any kind of comments and suggestion, please write down in comment box. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.